In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can save a password-protected PDF in Affinity Publisher. So to save a password-protected PDF in Affinity Publisher is quite easy. You're going to go to File and then choose Export or use Control-Command, Alt Option Shift S. And then here you can choose, as you can see, PDF. You have all sorts of file extensions you can choose, but for this tutorial, we're going to choose a PDF. And then you can also choose the preset. I have chosen high quality. You can also choose small size, press ready, print, and all those things. You can also choose raster PDI if you want all pages, the current page, or define which pages you want. And then if you scroll down, you can see here that there is a password protection option, but it also says that it requires Adobe Acrobat 7 and later. So here, if you choose PDF 1.7, you're fine. 1.6, you're fine, but 1.5 won't give that option. So if you scroll down when you choose 1.5, as you can see here, it will say that you require PDF 1.6 or above. So for this tutorial, let's take 1.7. And then you can also choose your color space and all those things. But if you now scroll down, you can choose a password protection and require a password to open. So then here you choose this one and you give in the password you want to use. You can also see what you've typed if you click reveal. And then you can also choose to require a password for modification and printing, which we would call a master password. So this is the open password. If you would like the people receiving this PDF to be able to, for example, print, you can check this one too, and then allow document printing. And then here we will give in a master password, which of course ideally differs from the open password. Now, if you send this document to people, normally you only provide the open password because you set the permissions with the permissions password, which is only for you. You allowed printing, but not modification or copying of content. You can also choose those if you want to. But if everything is as you want it to be, you choose export, and then you choose where you want to have your file exported to. You give it a name, and then you save. So now you have saved a password-protected PDF, which can also be printed by the persons receiving it. If you now go to the place where you saved your PDF and you open it, as you can see, it asks for an open password. So if you now give in the first password you chose, you can open this document. You can print it, and that's everything you can do. Nothing else, just print and open as you chose when saving the document. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.